Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this picture. They have two questions. One of them is, can you measure a picture that somebody sent you? Well, no, you can't measure a picture somebody sent you. Now, this picture appears to be 15 by 15. The tile itself was taken at an angle, so it's not, if you look at these two sides, they look perpendicular. So you can only do this if somebody that took the picture measured the tile, or somebody knows what the tile shape is. So let's just go and because I think his main question is, and I'm going to go crop it, and then you can see our figures are wrong, but with our ratio, we know let's say we know it's 12 by 12. With my ratio unlocked, I'm going to make it 12 by 12. So now, with the exception that it was taken into skew, and we got the tile a little bit off, I think his main question was, once he finds out at 12 by 12, it doesn't matter what this is. He really wants to figure out how thick this line is on the engraving. So I'm going to just take this isn't, because there's nothing to snap to, I'm just going to ballpark it. And I'm going to say it's 1.7 inches thick. Then I'm going to take a 2-point line, and I've changed your measurement to inches by going to your pen tool down here and clicking on inches. And then we're going to make it, there's no 1.7, but I can type in 0.17 of an inch. And look at that. So now we know that that inch is 0.17 and covers up that line. Probably be better to turn it at a 90-degree angle so we could put it on this line or near that line, because they're going to be parallel to each other more so. That's pretty close, if not exact. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.